How to withdraw money from Crypto Guru application. So the first step is to open your Google Play Store. Then make sure you download the Crypto Guru application. As you can see, I already have it, so come and open it. Now make sure you sign up for Crypto Guru and you make sure you have an account with Crypto Guru. You can sign up using your email or anything else. Okay, so moving ahead, as you can see, Crypto Guru is a simulator app. As you can see, this is just a virtual balance. They even give it to you. As you can see, it's $3,000. So the main use of Crypto Guru is to train you how to trade. So basically just come to trading over here. Then you can choose what you want to trade. So for my case, I'll choose to trade Link and USDT. Okay, so now you can choose to buy and sell or to buy or sell. As you can see, the red one here represents sell. The green one represents buy. Alright, so if you want to withdraw money from Crypto Guru, it's basically impossible. Why? Because it's a simulator app that allows you to train yourself how to trade. So basically, you just come here, then learn how to trade. So in your perfect trading, you can go and trade from any platform like Binance, which you can withdraw money physically, or you can withdraw money, then you put it to your bank account. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.